All right, everybody. So today we're going to go over some results a client got from Experian, and these are a couple weeks old. But as you can see, Transworld account was deleted, and it even shows you before your dispute, it was a collection, $231. Kane and Weiner, sorry, I always say Weiner, but it was deleted. You can see right there, deleted. $382 collection. Shows right here was a collection in January 2024. It was supposed to be on record until 2030, but of course we got it removed. And then inquiries. We got a bunch of inquiries removed as well. Yeah, a bunch of inquiries. So this was their first round, and I should have made this video sooner, but honestly, I forgot to. So just wanted to share that with y'all. Excellent first round results. Not everybody's going to see deletions on round 1, round 2, sometimes even round 3. Everybody's file is different, but again, I just wanted to share that with y'all. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.